Hello everyone, you are welcome again to the Olugbenga YouTube channel. The topic of discussion today is it best to start a business or to build a house? If you have the resources to start a business and you have resources to start the building or the construction of a house, to some extent, is it best to start a business or to start the building of a house? That is what I'm bringing forward today. In today's video, I am not the one that is going to judge or tell you that this is best or that is best. I am not going to say that building a house is the best or the other way around. But what I'm going to do is that I am going to show you examples of those who built houses without businesses and those who built businesses without house, and what ended the two of them. Many years ago, we were told that two people had 20 million in their custody. One went ahead to build a house with the 20 million he had. He built not just a house for rent, he built a mansion. A mansion with swimming pool, with house for rat, house for cat, house, room for this, room for that, room for that. He did not make the building for commercial purpose. He made the building purely for residential purpose. The other went ahead and he started a bank. He started a business of a bank. We are told that today the bank has multiplied. The bank is in every state in Nigeria and the bank is outside of Nigeria. By the way, these two individuals were Nigerians and they are from Nigeria. Now, the other one that built a house not for business, he just built a house for residential purpose. He built a house because he just fell into the money and he built a big house. Now, you have to tell me in the description section below and in the comment section below what is best. Is it to build a house first or to build a business first? The two people had 20 million in their custody. One went ahead and built a house, not a commercial house. Even if he's going to build a house, I wish he had built a house for commercial purpose in Lagos where he was residing at that time. But no, he went ahead and built a mansion. A mansion that if he's going to commercialize it, it's not going to have any value because nobody wants to stay in that kind of mansion and pay for the value of the mansion. But the business of the banking that went ahead, that bank has property today that is everywhere. The bank has properties and the bank owns the property, the land and the building on which the bank is situated. And this man is the owner of the bank. He's the managing director, he's the chairman of the bank, and moved on and established so many other businesses. In fact, the bank now has properties. Now, I am not saying you should not invest in property. I am not saying you should go into businesses, but you understand that on this YouTube channel, I've been teaching you about businesses. Please take action on the businesses I am teaching you. Take one of the businesses and try your hand on it. If you fail, you have learned something. But if you don't take action, you will not know whether you are going to fail or you are going to succeed. On the other hand, I am going to be bringing you content about real estate investing. So it's good to build a house, but build a house for business, not just building a house for prestige. My name again is Olugbenga Adetitun, and I'm your happy host on this YouTube channel. I bring you content that is going to help your life, transform your life, and I am passionate about your success. If you are on this channel for 1 year and your life does not move forward in the right direction, please unsubscribe, stop watching my videos. But if your life is going to make progress if you deliberately keep on watching my content for 1 year. That is the boost I make. In fact, if you watch my content for 6 months and you take action, your life will move forward. In fact, 6 months is too much. If you watch my content daily for 3 months, your life is going to be transformed. I am going to come your way again. This video that is popping up right now is the next you need to go and watch. Please go and click it and watch it. And I have other videos close to 700 now. Go ahead and watch them about businesses and other things. Take time and do 1 or 2 of them. And you are going to be glad you did. Until I come your way again soon. Bye for now.